You've just landed after a long flight, waiting at baggage claim, and then no bag. Or worse, TSA has removed something from your luggage, and now you're stuck dealing with missing valuables or confiscated items. But don't worry, in this video, I'll be revealing 13 things you should never pack in your checked luggage, especially with the latest TSA rules in 2025. Trust me, number 12 is something most travelers don't even realize is illegal. Before we dive in, if you love travel tips that help you save money, avoid airport stress, and make every trip smoother, then hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. I post weekly videos that make travel easier and stress-free. Now, let's get into it. Number 1, electronics with lithium batteries. Let's get started with something that could literally catch fire. Electronics with lithium batteries. Laptops, power banks, cameras. TSA has strict rules on these. Why? Because lithium batteries overheat and can cause fires in cargo holds. That's why TSA and airlines require you keep them in your carry-on. If you're carrying extra batteries, make sure they're in a separate protective case to prevent short circuits. 2. Expensive items and valuables. I know some of you guys love stuffing designer handbags, your expensive Rolex watches, or even cash into your checked luggage, but that's a huge mistake. Theft is real. Baggage gets mishandled, and airlines don't reimburse for lost jewelry, cash, or even luxury items. If it's valuable, always carry it in your carry-on or personal bag. 3. Medications and medical supplies. Imagine arriving at your destination and realizing your important medication is missing. Checked bags get delayed and lost all the time, and some medications are temperature sensitive. Also, certain countries have strict custom rules regarding prescription drugs. So, always carry your medications in your carry-on in their original packaging, along with a doctor's notes if necessary. 4. Perishable foods and liquids over 3.4 ounces. If you're Nigerian or African like me, I know you love carrying food home, but there are rules. Perishable foods can rot in checked luggage, and some liquids over 3.4 ounces, 100 ml, may not be allowed. Also, some countries have strict custom rules about bringing food items into their borders. If you must carry food, go for dry or vacuum sealed options, and always check customs regulations before packing. 5. Travel documents and IDs. Never, never pack passports, visas, or boarding passes in your checked bag. If your luggage gets lost, you may not be able to board your flight or pass immigration. Airlines won't cover lost passports, and custom officers may require proof of stay or transit documents. Always keep these items in your carry-on and have digital copies on your phone as a backup. 6. Firearms, sharp objects, and restricted items. This should be obvious, right? But every year, travelers still get stopped for packing firearms, knives, fireworks, or even self-defense weapons in their checked bags. Knives, tasers, and pepper spray also have specific restrictions depending on the airline and destination. Some self-defense items, like certain stun guns or batons, are completely illegal in certain countries, and carrying them could land you in serious trouble. Always check the TSA's websites and your airline's regulations before packing anything that could be considered a weapon. 7. Fragile items, glass, cameras, wine bottles. If you care about something fragile, don't trust airport baggage handlers to handle it with care. Luggage is thrown, stacked, and tossed around during transit, which means glass, cameras, and even bottles of wine can easily break. Even if you slap fragile sticker on it, that doesn't guarantee gentle handling. If you must pack fragile items, use bubble wrap and a hard shell suitcase, but whenever possible, carry them with you instead. 8. Matches and lighters. This is a sneaky one. Many travelers don't realize that matches and certain types of lighters are banned from checked baggage. They pose a fire risk in cargo holds. Some airlines allow a single lighter in your carry-on, but it depends on the type. Disposable lighters and safety matches are generally fine, but touch lighters and strike anywhere matches are not. If you must travel with a lighter, put it in your carry-on and check your airline's policy first. 9. E-cigarettes and vapes. If you use a vape or an e-cigarette, do not pack it in your checked luggage. TSA bans them from checked bags because of the lithium battery fire risk. Instead, they must be placed in your carry-on, and some airlines may even have additional restrictions. Also, be aware that certain countries have strict vaping laws, and you could even face fines or confiscation at customs. 10. Wet batteries and car batteries. This one is a no-brainer, but in case you were thinking of packing a car battery or any wet cell battery in your luggage, don't. They contain corrosive liquids and pose a leakage risk, which can damage not only your bag, but also other passengers' luggage. If you need to transport a battery, check with your airline for approved methods. 11. Alcohol over 70% ABV. Did you know that TSA completely bans alcohol over 140 proof in both checked and carry-on luggage? That means no bringing back that super strong moonshine or overproof rum. Even alcohol under this limit has restrictions. Most airlines allow up to 5 liters per passengers, but the bottles must be unopened and packed properly. Always check your airline's policy before bringing alcohol home as a souvenir. 12. Illegal or restricted items. This one might seem obvious, but many travelers don't realize that item legal in one country may be completely illegal in another one. CBD products, cannabis, certain medications, and even some over-the-counter drugs can be banned in other countries. If you get caught at customs, you could face fines or even jail time. Before traveling, always research the laws of your destination to avoid any surprises at the airport. 13. Souvenirs made from wildlife products. If you're bringing home souvenirs, be careful with anything made from wildlife products. Ivory, coral, certain furs, or exotic leather can be banned under wildlife protection laws. And many travelers don't realize they're carrying something illegal until it gets confiscated at customs. Some items may even carry heavy fines or legal consequences. If in doubt, don't pack it. And that's it, guys. Now you know the 13 things you should never pack in your checked luggage. Which one surprised you most? Let me know in the comments. Before you go, don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, subscribe for more travel tips, and watch my next video on the 10 airport mistakes you must avoid. Safe travels, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!